today it is 7:51 currently right now, and it is Friday, September 9th. And today I'm going to be vlogging my weekend. I'm sorry guys, I'm still a little tired, so I'm waking myself up slowly but surely. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. And yeah, so today's Friday. Basically what I have planned for today is not much. I do babysit tonight, but aside from that, I am taking my little Cosmo on a date. We go on a date every Friday, and I take him to get a cappuccino and a Starbucks. I get a Starbucks, I should say. We'll play it by ear and see how the day goes. Right now, I'm about to get ready for my workouts. So today's Friday, the last day of my workout, so I'm super excited, and I did up the intensity of them, and it has been a while since I've done those specific workouts, so I'm like, oh my gosh. Yeah, it's been fun, guys. So now I'm gonna go get dressed and ready for my workouts, and I will see you guys soon. Alright guys, so I'm all ready to go now, and I'm more than ready to finish off my last workout of the week. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's get it over and done with as soon as possible.
I close my eyes and lightning strikes, so I won't sleep till I get it right. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain all night. I close my eyes and lightning strikes, so I won't sleep till I get it right. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain all night. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain down. Let it rain.
Alright guys, so I'm all done with my workouts. It was almost an hour and like 15 minutes, so I'm gonna go take a shower, get all clean, and then we're gonna start our day slash morning. It's already 9:20, so I don't know where time went. Good morning, doggos. Good morning. Good morning, doggos. Guys, he knows when it's his date, and today is Friday, and he knows it's Friday. So I really forgot to tell you guys too. I bought a new backpack. So I have this backpack I bought. I went to the beach this past weekend and bought it, and I'm so excited to use it. I actually already have all my school supplies in it all ready to go, and it's perfect. And then I also bought the Summer I Turned Pretty series, so I'm really excited to read that. I have the first book I'm gonna start, and then I have the other two over here waiting to be read, so that will be on my list probably today to read, because I have wanted to start reading it for a while now, so I'm really super duper excited for this. So yeah, I'm actually going to meditate. I have been doing a few meditations on Headspace. Every morning I meditate after I work out. Headspace is my favorite app to use, and if you're a student, actually fun fact, you can get a student discount. Not sponsored, but 83 cents a month. So I've been doing that because I'm like, why not? Might as well take advantage of the fact that I'm a college student and get the college discounts and whatnot. So guys, so I'm feeling much more clean and I'm ready to go. So I still have to do my skincare really quick, and then we can head out. I'm feeling good. Off to a good start this morning, so. Alright guys, so let's go start our day. Guys, so we made it. Cosmo got his puppuccino. I got my pink drink. We're happy campers. And yeah, we're gonna listen to a podcast, hang out for a little bit, and just vibe. You know how it goes. Alright, so I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will either talk to you when I am home or wherever my next adventure is. I honestly don't know where I'm gonna go.
We could give into the sounds that the silence ignores.
Guys, so we are home now. It is now 12:30. So yeah, we went and had a little date and it was really nice. My book wasn't ready to get picked up yet, so we're gonna probably do that tonight. But yeah, today's been a great day so far and I've really enjoyed it. So now I'm probably either going to practice some coding, maybe, just maybe I'll read my book, either that right now or later. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's kind of a chill day. I'm enjoying as much downtime as possible before school starts because it's not going to be like this when school starts.
Keeping you in bed, run me off the road again. You're leaving me for dead, with every word you keep unsaid. I throw my cards on the table. I mean, what did you expect? I said I was able, but it's no
Guys, happy Sunday. Today's Sunday and yesterday was my brother's birthday, so today I'm taking him to lunch and spending the day with him, so I decided to vlog it with you guys. And yeah, I didn't really get much footage yesterday because it was mostly a family day. Really all I got footage of was Topgolf. So it happened and I had a lot of fun and it was amazing. I'm really convinced my brother had a great birthday, which is awesome. So I'm taking him to lunch today and we're gonna have a very fun day and I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. So I have to, well, I'm already ready, but I actually have to go, so.
But it's no easier to be alone. I want you here, I needed you to know we don't know the way that we planned it, but who the hell cares? Why does it matter the way we appear? It's not to all of the fears that they share. It'll become clear that through all uncertainty I'd rather.
Guys, so it is currently 4:56 and yeah, we have gotten to spend the day together. We are on a drive. I'm spending the day with my older brother. It's a late birthday celebration, or like an extended birthday celebration. I took him to lunch and now we're going on a drive and then we are gonna go home, watch a movie and just hang out with my family. So I'm really excited. I'm really happy I've gotten to spend the day with my older brother and it's been so much fun. Alright guys, so I have made it home and yeah, it is currently 5:47 in the afternoon, or evening I should say. And it has been an amazing day and I'm actually kind of sad it's almost over because it has been so much fun, but now is the time where I put the camera down for the night and spend some time with my family. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video and I hope you guys enjoy so much. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, your week or weekend, wherever you are, and I hope hope you know that I'm so proud of you, and I hope you keep accomplishing great things, and just know that you can do anything to set your mind to. So with that being said, I love you all so very much, and I will see you guys next week in my next video. I love you all so much. Bye.
Now I got cars, now I got clothes, now I got money. Now I got crowds screaming my name, saying they love me. You get real close, say I'm not alone, you understand.